എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ കുറച്ച് ദിവസങ്ങളായിട്ട് സ്പീക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സീരീസിലൂടെ കടന്നു വരികയാണ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം പറഞ്ഞത് സ്പീക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സീരീസ് 26 ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിക്കുന്നത് സ്പീക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സീരീസ് 27. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം പറഞ്ഞത് വി സബ്ജക്റ്റായി കൊണ്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ്. നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിക്കുന്നത് സെക്കൻഡ് പേഴ്സൺ യു ആണ്. യു സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആക്കിക്കൊണ്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ്. ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഇവിടെ യു ആൻസറിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ ചോദ്യത്തിൽ ഐ ആണ് വരേണ്ടത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം, വെൻ ഡു ഐ വേക്ക് അപ്പ് എവറി ഡേ? യു വേക്ക് അപ്പ് at 6 AM every day. When do I brush my teeth every day? You brush your teeth at 6:30 AM every day. When do I take a bath every day? You take a bath at 7 AM every day. When do I have breakfast every day? You have breakfast at 7:30 AM every day. When do I read newspaper every day? You read newspaper at 8 AM every day. When do you get ready to go to office every day? I get ready to go to office at 8:30 AM every day. When do I go to office every day? You go to office at 9 AM every day. When do I reach office every day? You reach office at 10 AM every day. When do I have lunch every day? You have lunch at 1 PM every day. When do I return to work in the afternoon every day? I return to work in the office at 2 PM every day. When do I leave office every day? You leave office at 5 PM every day. When do I reach home every day? You reach home at 6 PM every day. When do I watch TV every day? You watch TV at 6:30 PM every day. When do I have dinner every day? You have dinner at 8 PM every day. When do I go to sleep every day? You go to sleep at 10 PM every day. So we have gone through all the activities starting from morning till night. Now we are going to the next tense, that is simple past tense. So the first question is, when did you wake up yesterday? I woke up at 6 AM yesterday. When did I brush my teeth yesterday? You brushed your teeth at 6:30 AM yesterday. When do I take a bath yesterday? When did I take a bath yesterday? You took a bath at 7 AM yesterday. When did I have breakfast yesterday? You had breakfast at 7:30 AM yesterday. When did I read newspaper yesterday? You read newspaper at 8 AM yesterday. When did you get ready to go to office yesterday? You got ready to go to office at 8:30 AM yesterday. When did I go to office yesterday? You went to office at 9 AM yesterday. When did I reach office yesterday? You reached office at 10 AM yesterday. When did you have lunch yesterday? When did I have lunch yesterday? You had lunch at 1 PM yesterday. When did you return to office after lunch yesterday? I returned to office at 2 PM yesterday. When did I leave office yesterday? I left office at 5 PM yesterday. When did I reach home yesterday? I reached home at 6 PM yesterday. When did I watch TV yesterday? You watched TV at 6:30 PM yesterday. When did I have dinner yesterday? You had dinner at 8 PM yesterday. When did I go to sleep yesterday? You went to sleep at 10 p.m. yesterday. Now we have gone through simple past tense also. Now the next tense is simple future. So the question is, when will you wake up tomorrow? I shall wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. When will you brush your teeth tomorrow? I shall brush my teeth at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. When will you take bath tomorrow? I shall take bath at 7 a.m. tomorrow. When will you have breakfast tomorrow? I shall have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. When will you read newspaper tomorrow? I shall read newspaper at 8 a.m. tomorrow. When will you get ready to go to office tomorrow? I shall get ready to go to office at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. When will you go to office tomorrow? I shall go to office at 9 a.m. tomorrow. When will you reach office tomorrow? I shall reach office at 10 a.m. tomorrow. When will you have lunch tomorrow? I shall have lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. When will you return to work in the afternoon tomorrow? I shall return to work in the afternoon at 2 p.m. tomorrow. When will you leave office tomorrow? I shall leave office at 5 p.m. tomorrow. When will you reach home tomorrow? I shall reach home at 6 p.m. tomorrow. When will I watch TV tomorrow? We will watch TV at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. When will I have dinner tomorrow? You will have dinner at 8 p.m. tomorrow. When shall I go to sleep tomorrow? You will go to sleep at 10 p.m. tomorrow. Now we have gone through all the actions starting from morning till night in the simple future tense. So we have gone through simple present, simple past and simple future. Now we know how to ask questions in the simple present, how to answer questions in the simple present, and how to ask questions in the simple past, and how to answer questions in the simple past, how to ask questions in the simple future, and how to answer questions in the simple future. So we know how to ask questions and how to answer questions, and we know two aspects in the case of all the tenses. One is structure, the other is meaning. What is the structure and what is the meaning? So we know the structure and meaning. So when we know the structure and meaning well, we know what we are saying is right. So now we learn to say something rightly. So when we know something rightly, we can speak something rightly. So we learn how to speak well through practice. So now we have about 27 videos. If we can hear the 27 videos regularly, listen regularly, then we can speak regularly. So speaking is the aftermath of listening. If we can listen well, we can speak well. So let us practice well so that we can speak well. Our aim is to speak English. So we'll be able to speak English if we can practice well. Today is our 27th day class. Today we were dealing with second person as subject or you as subject. Tomorrow we are going to third person singular, and today we were dealing with second person, you as the subject. I thank God for enabling me to talk to you. I thank Guru also for enabling me to talk to you. I thank all of you to listen to me. Today is our Speak English 27th class. Thank you very much.